weird smell. Oh, right. Fresh air. Wish I could enjoy being out in the city, but man, this suit is throwing me. I feel dirty, and not in a fun let's go clubbing way. Okay, gotta focus. That magic rock is around here somewhere. And I just figured out where.
If it isn't the spectacular spider smut!
Oh, dude, pants! No one wants to see your junk.
Keep laughing, punk! See what I found? What do you think happens if I use it?
Interest rates go down?
Yes. It's like my powers are totally unleashed. Now I can absorb all this energy. Energy without limit!
And yet, still no pants.
See what I can do now?
I am so impressed. I've never seen anyone start a truck before.
Laugh it up, loser.
Just remember, you can
How about this? Impressive, huh?
little versions of you? The word is creepy.
You know what I love? Back up. You can't keep up. I'm moving at the speed of light.
Hey, you got a license for that?
Get back here, loser.
That solves that.
Broke the water pump! More people to save, all in a heroic day's work. Hey! That water's electrifying! Somebody! Help! Help! Hey, that's great! Let me get that valve, Spider-Man! Somebody help! Help!
Thanks! I got this!
Glad Aunt May pays the electric bill.
Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Help! Thanks!
I got you!
Whoa! Watch! That was close! Here, let me get this!
Stop squirming, you're okay.
Spider-Man, over here! Help me! Hey! I'll take care of this right away!
Yeah, I'm on it.
Okay, door's open, Spider-Man!
Good work.
That hits the spot. Yeah, baby. Like that. Right there.
Ew! Do you and your generator, like, need some time alone?
Let's get this party started.
Oh, you turned this place into a disco. Classy.
What are you gonna do? Run forever? Oh!
Couldn't we just thumb wrestle instead?
Time to crank up the voltage!
We should hang out. And by hang out, I mean be in jail. And by we, I mean...
Spider-Man, look for Electro above the generator.
Let's go! As if! You're gonna get For my next trick, I'm gonna turn on the juice.
Have you ever considered a career in music? You could be, wait for it, a conductor. Think about it. You could get these glowy guys to play the instruments, and then you could call it the Electro Light Orchestra. Huh? That's pretty good, right?
Yeah! Take it!
live with yourself. Time to crank up the voltage!
We're really sparking off each other here.
Die! Nailed it! You got roasted!
Has anyone ever told you how impressive you are? Because if they did, they were lying.
Fail! There I am! Surprise!
I mean, a fig leaf, tube sock, anything. Just work with me.
I feel so drained.
Has anyone ever told you how impressive you are?
You think you're so hot, don't you?
Actually, now that you mention it.
Well, guess what, twerp? That's just one of the generators in this joint. And the more of them I drain, the stronger I'll get. Why am I wasting my time?
Here we go.
Enjoy, sucker! More friends for you to play with. Screw this!
Who's your collective daddy?
Get back here, loser! I'm done with you! You look like you could use some friends!
Hey, that was fun! Let's do it again!
Time to call in the cavalry! Time to call in the cavalry!
Who else wants some?
Starting to feel a little run down?
Oh, we're doing friends now! Well then, sock it to me.
Let's make this a party!
You're getting a real charge out of this, aren't you? Hey, you don't need to get so short.
You look like you could use some friends! Don't you know when to quit?
Yeah, not really. I'm sort of what you call an overachiever. Hey, stop!
I've got better things. I think we need a little company.
Hey, get off me! Get off! I said get off me, you little freaks! Oh man, I knew this would happen. This suit! I gotta get it off me before I...
Get back here, loser! This'll keep you out of my hair.
Dude, you don't have hair. Not that it would stop me anyway.
We're gonna shock till you drop!
Okay, no offense, but you really need to work on your superhero banner. Here I come! Charge! Get it? Charge? Who's your collective daddy?
I think we need a little company. Why am I wasting my time with you?
Take that!
I'm becoming more than powerful. I'm becoming unstoppable!
And you're still not wearing any pants, so 2 steps forward, 1 step back.
Electro is even more powerful now. Strike when his energy field is down.
I'm gonna take this to the next level! I thought heroes were supposed to stand and fight, not cut and run. You must be really terrified of me. I don't blame you.
I'll keep dishing it out if you keep taking it.
You got
His field is down. Attack!
can't see straight!
You wanna play?
Do not let Electro regenerate his health above the generators.
Back to being me again. Sorry! Not really, though.
Surprise! Can't see straight! What a dork! Need more pop! Surprise!
You mess with the wrong spider.
How do you live?
Back to normal. Oh, relatively speaking.
There we go. Gotcha! Just need a second.
Sorry! Not really, though.
Drain. I need to recharge.
You know what I find helps? Rest and relaxation. Turn the TV off, just have a little me time. But that's probably not what you're doing.
I'm out of here. I've got better things.
being me again.
You know what I love? Backup.
You got Spider-Man! You really have a thing for trucks, huh? Are you sure you want to be called Electro? How about Electruck? Truckticon? Truckmaster? Truckleberry Finn? Trucker Doom? I know, Professor Pickup!
Be quiet!
I really drove that one into the ground.
Maybe these will stop.
Maybe they'll make me talk more. You never know. Who's your collected dad? Hey, that was fun! You wanna play? Anybody else? Back to normal. Oh, relatively speaking.
Spider-Man, you must keep Electro from gaining more access to power sources.
I already knew that.
Perhaps, but you don't know the grave consequences you're facing for failing to stop him.
Worse than a little light show, huh?
Much worse.
Of course.
Yes, yes!
No, no.
Yes, yes, yes!
Why don't you just give up, Electro? Okay, never mind. But, you know, if you change your mind, giving up is still an option.
Spidey! Oh, thank God you're here. I need to get to that terminal to stop this mess.
Look out!
Couldn't have done it without you. couldn't have come at a better time. Swing me over to that terminal and I'll shut it down.
Spidey! Oh, thank God. I need to get to that terminal to stop this mess.
You wanna play? And see.
Look out!
It's off. Couldn't have done it without you.
The cavalry's here! Help us both over the door so we can open it for you.
Man, nice to see you, Spidey. Hey, you gotta bring me and my buddy over that door. Takes two to operate.
All right, evildoers, come to Spidey. That was the best you could do?
Hey!
Time to get my rage!
Hey! Look out!
Nicely done.
I have become a being of pure energy! Without pants! Next, the city! All that power!
Oh, don't like the rain, huh?
It's harmless, like you!
Let me see what I can do about that. On both counts.
He is too powerful to take damage from you now. You must find another way to defeat him.
You're about to get nice and toasty! Give me that power! Stop it! Burn, baby, burn! Juice me up! Don't make me laugh! Uh-oh! Who's He's about to get fried! Looks like I'm tapped out. You're right where I want you! Time to get squished! I'm not taking any chances! Let's play squash the bug! Time to kiss the dirt! You're about to be history! Destroy him! I'm not taking any chances! I'm gonna enjoy this! Oh, no! No!
Hey, big guy! Drinks are on me!
Oh! The water! It's taking me apart!
You seem shocked. And that's why you never make toast in the bathtub.
Congratulations, Spider-Man. You really showed him what's what.
Wah wah.